Well, hello folks. Well, today we're going to spatchcock a turkey and get it ready and get it out on our Char-Broil Big Easy today. We've got our turkey out. It's about a 13 and a half, almost 14-pound turkey. And we've got our neck and our gizzards out. You want to be sure and take that out of your cavities. And we're going to make some giblet gravy later on. But in order to spatchcock a turkey, I mean, you basically kind of just cut a lot of this fat off. And you don't want to discard it, you want to keep that. We're going to cut this tail and get that cut. I'm going to save that, that'll go in there as well. I'm going to take some of these scissors here, cut some of this loose skin off. Keep that also. And in order to spatchcock a turkey, at least this is how we're doing it, you want to come right alongside of this backbone right here and going to cut that. You can use scissors, shears, kitchen shears, or you can use a knife, either one. I've got a pretty sharp kitchen knife. You just cut right alongside of the backbone. Right through that like that. The bone's being cantankerous there. There we go. And then we'll come back along this side of this one. Just gonna cut this backbone out here. And we're going to save this, put this in with our giblets so we can cook all that down and make us some gravy out of that. But that's basically it. Got a little bone right here in the center you want to kind of really gristle in a way. Just want to kind of sear that, mark that a little bit, and then your turkey will just lay flat like that. We're going to clean up some of this, get some of that skin and stuff off there. So anyway, that's kind of what we've got there. And so there's a spatchcock turkey right there. So we're going to get ready and season this, and we're going to get it out on our grill. So you guys hang on, we'll be back here in just a minute. All right, well, we've got our Char-Broil Big Easy fired up and ready to go. Got her heated up. And got our spatchcock turkey, and we got it seasoned up with some thyme and poultry season, salt and pepper, and we're going to lay that dude on here. Just like that. Spatchcock turkey. Get our wings in there. We're going to close this lid down, and we're going to let that cook for just a little bit. I've got some pecan chips in here for the smoker, and we've got this thing heated up, ready to go, and we're going to let it cook a little bit, and then we'll come back and we're going to put our probes in there and try to bring this up to about 165 degrees and have us a good old spatchcock turkey for Thanksgiving today. So you guys hang on, we'll be back in a minute and show you what it looks like. All right, well, my timer just went off, So we're gonna take and check this real quick too with our little Insta-Read. And our probe says we're at 165, so that's good. Set these two probes right here. Oh yeah, we're there. Look at that juice come out of that. I don't know if you guys can see that, but there's your butterfly turkey, also known as a spatchcock turkey. So we're going to try to get this. I got Teresa here with me, and we're going to try to pick this dude up. Get it on the platter. Take it in and shut my gas off my grill. And shut this down. We're gonna go in and see if we can slice it up. We'll be back in just a minute and show you what that looks like. All right, well, we've got our spatchcock turkey here, also known as a butterfly turkey. And I'm gonna try to slice a little bit of this breast meat right here, just to kind of show you guys. Look at the skin. Look at that, man. That's crispy skin. Look at that breast meat, how juicy that is. Wow. I'm going to cut a couple pieces of this and give one to Teresa and one to myself. She likes skin, so I'm going to get, whoop, I just dropped it. Hey.
Didn't hit the floor. So.
All right, folks, there you have it. Teresa and I just want to wish you guys a happy Thanksgiving. Merry Christmas coming up. We know times are tough. Things are going on. A lot of people going through a whole lot. We just wanted to share this with you. And once again, from Mike and Miss Teresa, Mr. Cast Iron, we want to thank you for all that you do and appreciate you watching our videos. And we look forward to coming back to you again. Y'all have a happy Thanksgiving. We'll see you. Bye-bye.
It's good. Very good.
Wow, that's so juicy. That's so good. That skin is crispy. Look forward to this.